got cars. I got 200. How much you got? 50,000. Hold on, you got 4, right? Yeah. Hold on. No, but I did the last time.
What's going on, Mother Truckers? So we have a subscriber, a Mother Trucker himself. He's actually on TikTok too, Rockwell Goodell. And he basically said he was at the North Carolina arrest area just the other day. And this guy was just flashing money in front of trucks. And basically he's making a scene like he just won $168,000 at the casino. And that he just wanted to give free money to truck drivers.
I got cars. I got 200. How much you got? 50,000. Hold on, you got 4, right? Yeah. Hold on. No, but I did the last time.
Well, it's the biggest scam that you're ever going to have in your life. Nothing in life is free. Even if you want the free samples at Costco, you still need a damn membership. So there's nothing that's free. So what our subscriber Rockwell does is he films the guy while he gets this driver involved. And so here's the scam. Here's the guy that wants to do a little card trick saying, hey, you could double your money, just find the red card. And the other two guys that look like truck drivers, well, they work for him, right? They get this old veteran that's a truck driver, they con him, and he goes to his truck, takes out $2,000 and is ready to play. You know, and the guy was like, hey, I don't want to lose my money. He was like, no, you're not going to lose your money. If you win, though, you'll double it back. But if you lose, I'll just give you your money back. So while they're playing, guess what they're doing? The other two guys go to his truck and rob his truck. And then when he gets the wrong card, he doesn't give them his money back. They all hop into a truck or a vehicle of some sorts, and then they jet off. So when the cops come, our subscriber shows them the video that he had, which is just a small clip. But I'm telling you, Mother Truckers, if you ever see anyone, especially in the North Carolina area, if you're at a rest area, some guy is saying he wants to give you a whole bunch of free money, he won the lotto, he won the casino, he won a scratcher or whatever, don't believe it. It's a scam. And if you do, you should have watched this video. But I feel bad for this old man. He thought he had an opportunity. You know, someone just wanted to give him some free money, and they scammed this truck driver out of $2,000. So, Mother Truckers, definitely, if you see this guy, call the police, slap the shit out of him, whatever you do, don't play along.